What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see the title. I told y'all gonna do it, man. I'm in that mode. Man. Tell y'all why I'm in that mode later in the vlog, but I'm in that mode, man. So I'm finna go pick up another car. I'm about to go pick up another car, man. I'm about to head to the bank right now. Go get the money out. And y'all gonna love this one. But we finna handle all the business. It raining today, but the business still got to be handled, man. Plate got to be made. Cake got to be baked, man. And I'm finna come add a new addition to the fleet, man. I told y'all a lot of my cars gone and they towed right now. So what do you do when they tow it? Buy another one. That's what I do. Buy another one, man. Hey, I'm really running on one. Cause y'all know I ain't been recording with John too much. But we finna have another one, man. So I ain't gonna talk y'all to death. We're gonna get this vlog rolling because I need to go to the bank, get the money, then so I can handle all the business. Then I'm gonna turn y'all back on, so y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking in at the bank. Got all the bread out. Quick process, man. Ain't had no headache this time. We got it right here. So I'm finna give all that away. We finna meet up, handle a little business. Like I said, man, grabbing another one. I'm grabbing another one, man. I'm guessing he should be en route. I told him to meet me at the bank I'm at. Took that little drive. Let me see, we just check. Yeah, he on the way. So, yeah, man, we finna handle the business. Then I'm gonna holler at y'all, and when I get back to the house, after I get finished with all this, and I get back to the house, then I'm gonna holler at y'all, and then we're gonna see what's what and all that. And I'm gonna fill y'all in, and then put y'all on some more games. So y'all definitely wanna stay tuned in. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Alright, I'm back, man, from handling the business. Man. The business has been handled. Cake been baked. Deed is done. Why is the car not here yet? Well, it's raining, and I'm not going to get it yet. So, when y'all gonna see it? I don't know. I'm gonna see. I don't know when y'all gonna see it, man. But just know I got a new car. Just know y'all gonna love it, and I'm gonna love it. I already love it. So y'all just wait, man. Y'all gonna have to see it. It's gonna be a surprise. Like I said, hey, this vlog just to keep y'all in the loop. I'm telling y'all about a new car, man. Y'all seen the thumbnail. Like it ain't no cap or none of that. So we got it on the way, man. We finna have a new addition to the family of the fleet. We finna have a new addition coming, and y'all gonna love this one. I'm gonna have one of the sickest fleets out there, man. Just overall variety. Hey, man, I'm telling y'all finna love this one. Y'all gonna love this one, buddy. I'm telling you, let me see. I don't even know where I'm gonna put it. And I gotta get my guy back running, man. I need that car so bad. I gotta get him back running. Brown coat got to get back operation. That whole side over there down. That whole side down, man. So when the new car come, I ain't putting it on that side. This side right here for the running stuff. That whole side down. I'm gonna mess around and push Dolo back. Nah, I can't. Cause Dolo gonna be I just got an update by another couple of weeks. Man. I wish it went that long, man. It ain't me. But I can't do nothing but wait. But anyway, that ain't about Dolo, man. I got a new car, man. I'm excited, boy. I'm hyped. Man, what got me in that mode? Why you bought a new car? I told y'all, man, all my stuff down. I ain't got but really one operational car call. I can drive John's on, but I'm not trying to drive it, cause like I said, it's on the market, man. I'm probably gonna end up raffling or whatever, but it's on the market. So I ain't trying to drive and have something happen to it. So I bought me another car. And it's a nice piece too. It's a nice piece. Y'all gonna see it. Y'all gonna see it. I'm telling you. So yeah, we got it coming. I told y'all, man, when I say something and you see it in my face, I'm like, I ain't capping. I'm serious, man, cause it just got me in that mode, man. All my stuff down. And then, like I said, you had the raw car show. I missed that, but you know, I had to have the family stuff, man. It's just part of it. But even when you have to have family stuff, it still had you a little down and stuff. Cause you know, I'm looking at the business side of it. I'm like, man, it could have been some big play, big move made, being the car. I would have worked my move out there, but I'm looking at all the sick cars that was out there and people doing their thing, man. It was motivation. It was motivation seeing all that. So I was like, man, I'm about to turn it up a notch. I'm about to turn it up a notch, man. With the new one that coming and with what I already got. What do y'all see how I'm coming with Dolo? Man, with what I'm about, the color I'm about to put on this thing and what I'm about to do with it, it's gonna be crazy. I promise the whole car finna look different. The whole car finna look different. I'm telling you, man, I'm finna go crazy. And what do y'all see the new one? Ooh, what do y'all see the new one? Hey, what I want y'all, put in the comment what you think it is. Put in the comment what you think it is. Cause y'all can't never tell. I know some of y'all be on my Facebook, y'all saw me looking for a G-body. It might not be a G-body. You don't know. Didn't nobody know. I wasn't even looking for this. I just bought it. I wasn't even looking for a truck. Air10, but I just copped it. So, is it a truck? Short bed? Another Air10? Another big body? Don't. Box Chevy? Grand National? Malibu, Monte Carlo, Grand Prix? El Camino? Buick? Pontiac? What is it? What is it? Don't nobody know. Everybody? Don't nobody know. But just know, we got a new one coming to the fleet. I told y'all, man, the deed is done. Hey, that was all I had to do today. That was all I had to do was to go handle that business. That was my goal. That was my plan. We got some sunshine for right now, but just know we're coming, man. And I'm finna call Jesse. I hope I can get that exhaust done on this car right here, man. I need that exhaust done, man. Hope I can go ahead and get it done. But boy, I can't. Whew, I can't wait, boy, till y'all see that car, man. I can't wait. I can't wait till y'all see that car, boy. Hey, BCG fam, man, I'm telling y'all. We done made a play right here, man. Listen, we made a play right here. Ain't nobody gonna see them coming. Didn't nobody see it coming now. I made it just that fast. Didn't nobody see it coming. I said, everybody's at Raw show. I told wife here, I said, hey, I'm finna make a move. I'm finna make a move, man. And that's what I did. So we handled the business, man. I'm just out. I can't wait till y'all see it, man. Y'all know I be wanting to show y'all stuff right then and there, but it's just under the circumstances. I ain't right now. Cause like I said, the weather. We finna have rain 3 more days, man. It's just bad. I mean, not just rain, thunderstorms. Like it's sunny right now, but it gonna rain again, man. It gonna rain again. And I'm still waiting, like, you know what I'm saying? So I got this car, and they finna be in rotation. But you know, we still waiting on the other two. I gotta get them going. We waiting on Meach, and you know, Meach is a process. That's a whole bill, man. But I gotta get transmission for Meach. So I mean, they started working on it. If you ain't, go look at Lawless video, man. I gotta go over there and get an update too. But y'all go look at Lawless Street Cars and Fabrication. Y'all go subscribe to my bro Jesse channel, man. Go check it out. He just dropped the video. They got the headers on the car, so they done started on it, man. Started turning wrenches. So Meach is a process, man. Meach is a process, so you know you can't. It is what it is with that. Everything else together though, but Meach is a process. It's a bill, man. So I'm doing a lot to that car in a short period of time, and I still got to get my wheels in and tires. So when that car roll up out of there, it probably gonna roll up out of there on the 24. Honestly, when it roll out of Lawless, it probably gonna be mounted up already. I don't know. That was my thought, or I might wait. I might wait so y'all can see, man. We could do a whole nother video, man. We probably mount it up at the house. That's probably what I'm gonna do. But when it come out of there, I'm going crazy. I'm going apes, boy. I'm telling you. So now my fleet, I got 6 cars. I got 6 old school now in the fleet, and we got the little Festiva, and I got the money color in the truck. So right now I got 9 cars, man, and I gotta make it an even 10. I gotta make it an even 10, man. I'm gonna have 10 old school when it all said and done, man. I'm gonna have 10 old school. Just know, I'm gonna have 10 old school, man. I'm gonna be able to fill up. I can fill up a car hauler now by myself. But that been one of my goals, man. I'm like, man, I gotta fill up a car hauler. Me and wife can fill up a car hauler together. But I said, man, I gotta be able to fill up a car hauler, man. So I'm definitely with the new edition, and we got 3 cars that's gone right now. Counting the new edition, we got 3 cars away from the house. I gotta call Aunt, see what the status update on wifey car Emma, so she can get it back, man. Right, cause we halfway through the year. We finna be halfway through the year, man. It's crunch time. Like, it's time to do what it's gonna do. So I'm like, and that's why I hate Dolo. Dolo tore up when it tore up, man. I'm like, yeah. That kind of, you know, that kind of was messed up, man. It just, you know, but stuff happened. And like I said, I'm in the midst of specing another combo for that too, man. I'm having a backup engine, so if something happen to it, then I'm gonna be able to put it in there, and then it'll never stop. So this right here, the whole purpose of this video was really to update y'all, man. To really update y'all on everything, let y'all know, hey, I got a new car. I hate y'all can't see it right now, cause I ain't even went to where the car is. But I hate y'all can't see it. I don't know. Don't get me wrong. I'll check the car out. But man, y'all gonna see. Let me see. Let me see when y'all gonna see it. Y'all might see it this week, man. If we get a break in this weather, I'll take that drive, man. Cause I gotta take a little drive, man. We linked up. I had to take a drive, linked up, met up today. But I'll take that drive, man, and you know, y'all see it or whatever. But ain't get to hear all of that. We'll pick it up. But yeah, they're gonna wrap this video up, man. Short video, short and sweet. Hey, we got a new car to the fleet. That's all it was. That's the whole purpose. Just to tell y'all, we got a new car to the fleet, man. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.